What if I told you there was a way to watch movies and YouTube in your vehicle? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the MMB Mini-Max CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. That's right, this is an adapter you can plug into your car and it takes control over your dash. You're going to get all kinds of awesome CarPlay and Android Auto features, but you're also going to be able to do things like stream and cast your phone directly to your dash, which means you'll be able to watch things like YouTube directly on your car screen. So as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to look at this 4-in-1 wireless adapter. This is the MMB. It's for CarPlay and Android Auto. It also does AirPlay and mirroring. The user manual, of course, is in the box. It's going to have all the information you need on getting the most out of this. And make sure you pay attention because you may have issues getting it synced up to your vehicle. So the user manual, it's your best friend. Next up, we have the extender right here. This is just an extension cable that lets you plug into USB-C. And then we have the device itself. So this is going to plug into USB-A. But with the extension cord, you'll be able to go from USB-A to USB-C. So let's go ahead and get everything set up and try it out. This is the MMB Mini-Max wired to wireless Bluetooth Wi-Fi CarPlay Android Auto adapter. The MMB Mini-Max turns your wired CarPlay or Android Auto into a seamless wireless experience. All you have to do is just plug it in once and forget about the cables. Your phone connects automatically every time you start the car, so navigation, music, calls, and messages are ready instantly. Its compact design keeps your car interior clean and clutter-free. It enables wireless screen mirroring for Apple and Android phones and supports video playback. So if you want to watch Good Tech Cheap in the car, you can. It's a simple upgrade that makes every drive smoother, easier, and more enjoyable. So I have to say, wow, CarPlay MMB, you guys are doing a great job. And when it comes to customer support, they're going to offer you 30 days return hassle-free. And they do worldwide shipping, so they're going to deliver it to 150 plus countries. So I have to say, MMB, wow, great job.
This is our first time working with MMB, and I gotta say, this little product is so powerful and so cool. I love the fact that so many car adapters now are including the feature to be able to cast your phone to them, and also supporting CarPlay and Android Auto. So that means your iPhone and your Android phone are gonna work with this device. And tell me that it doesn't make your life easier on a long road trip to just be able to kick back, eat some food, and watch a YouTube video on your car dash. So we want to give a huge shout out to MMB for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget about today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!